This video I'm going to do vector sums. So see the first one, find a unit vector perpendicular to A equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap and B equals to I cap minus j cap plus k cap both. So this is the first question. Let us see how to do that. So here a unit vector is perpendicular to A and B. You know that formula, that is A bar cross B bar equals to AB sine theta n cap. So here n cap is the unit vector that is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. You know that condition. Now see here, AB sine theta is nothing but magnitude representation of that. So we can write like this, modulus of A cross B into n cap, here A bar cross B bar. So here we want to find the unit vector, right? Then these modulus of A bar cross B bar sent to this side. Now we can write the n cap equals to A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. Now here we can write that A vector like this, A bar equals to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. B bar we can write Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. So here Ax means here 2. So here Ax equals to 2. Ay is 3. Ay is 3. Az is 1. Az is 1. Same here. Bx is 1. By is minus 1. Bz is plus 1. So now first we have to write A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar. So what is the formula for A bar cross B bar? Ay Bz minus Az By into I cap plus, sorry, not plus, minus Ax Bz minus Az Bx into j cap plus Ax By minus Ay Bx into k cap. So how we got this formula? Already in previous video I explained it. So here substitute the values, A bar cross B bar. So what is the Ay here? 3. So 3. What is the Bz here? 1. So 3 into 1 minus Az 1 By minus 1 into I cap minus Ax is 2, Bz is 1 minus Az is 1, Bx is 1 into j cap plus Ax is 2, By is minus 1 minus Ay is 3, Bx is 1 into k cap. So here 3 into 1 3, minus into minus plus 1 into I cap minus of 2 into 1 2 minus 1 j cap plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 into 1 3 minus 3 k cap. So here 3 plus 1 4 I cap minus 2 minus 1 1. So 1 we can write like minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 k cap. So this is the a bar cross b bar. And now we want to find the modulus of a bar cross b bar. So you know, when we have find the magnitude, we can use the formula. So now here modulus of a bar cross b bar. You know that formula, 4 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 5 square into 4, 16 plus minus into minus plus, so plus 1 plus 25. So 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 25, 42. So this value is root 42. These two values we have to substitute in this formula. Now n cap equals to, what is the a bar cross b bar? 4 I cap minus j cap minus 5 k cap. The formula for modulus of a cross b, root 42. So this is the answer for this question. See the second sum. Show that the vector a equals to I cap minus j cap plus 2 cap is parallel to a vector b equals to 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. So let us see how to do this sum. So now here, when the a and b are parallel vectors, means we can write like formula a equals to mb. So first we can write the a vector a equals to I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. So when we are, this vector is multiply and divide with 3, we can get like C1s 3 into I cap minus 3 into j cap 3 j cap plus 3 into 2 6 k cap, and here we can get by 3. So we can write like 1 by 3 into 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. So here when we are multiply and divide with the 3, we can get that b vector 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 6 k cap. That implies that a is parallel to b. But here the magnitude of the a is 1 by 3 times more than the b vector. So this is the solution of the second. Then here we can write a equals to 1 by 3 b. Now see the third question. What is the unit vector perpendicular to the following vectors? 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap and 6 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. So same like first one. So once try to do this and let us see that. So here first we can write like a vector is like ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. So bx I cap minus by j cap plus bz k cap. So here ax is 2, ax is 2, ay is 2, az is minus 1. So here bx is 6, by is minus 3, bz is 2. So here what is the question is unit vector perpendicular to the following vectors. What is the unit vector? So unit vector means n cap. What is the n cap formula before we use that? That is n cap equals to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. So here A bar cross B bar formula. What is the formula? AY BZ minus AZ BY I cap minus AX BZ minus AZ BX J cap plus AX BY minus AY BX K cap. Now these values we have to substitute here. What is the AY here? 2. 2 into BZ 2. 2 minus AZ value minus 1. BY value minus 3 into I cap minus of AX is 2. BZ is 2. AZ is minus 1. BX is 6 into J cap plus AX is 2. BY is minus 3. AY is 2. BX is 6. So now do the calculation. 2 into 2 4. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 4 I cap. So sorry, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Minus 2 into 2 4. Minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 J cap plus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 12 K cap. So 4 minus 3 1, then I cap minus 4 plus 6 10 J cap minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So minus 18 K cap. So this is the A bar cross B bar. Now find the magnitude of cross product. Modulus of A bar cross B bar equals to root of, here component is 1 square plus here 10 minus 10 square plus minus 18 square. So root of 1 minus 10 into minus 10 plus 100. 18 18s 324. So now add 324 plus 100 424. 424 plus 1 425. So here to the prime factor we can write like this, like 5 into 5 into 17. 5 into 5 into 17. So here 5 square, yes 17. We can write like separately. Then here square root cancel. Then modulus of A bar cross B bar equals to 5 root 17. Now these two substitute in n cap. So n cap equals to I cap minus 10 J cap minus 18 K cap by 5 root 17. This is the answer for this question. Fourth question. Let a force F be acting on a body free to rotate about a point O, and let R the position vector of any point P on the line of action of the force. Then the torque of this force about the point is 0 is defined as, so here they given the torque formula, tau equals to R cross F. So here they given the F vector and here they given the R vector. So now we want to find the torque. Now do the cross product of R and F. Let us see that. So F is 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap into Newton. So N is the SI unit of force. R equals to I cap minus J cap plus 6 K cap meters. So meters is the SI unit of R. Then what is the formula for torque? Tau equals to R cross F. So here we can write I cap minus J cap plus 6 K cap 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap. So here we can use the direct formula, that is r cross f equals to ax ay bz minus az by into I cap minus this formula we can use. So here ay means minus 1. So here write minus 1. Bz means minus 1. Az means 6. By means 3. I cap minus ax means 1. Bz means minus 1. Minus az means 6. Bx is 2. Ax is 1. By is 3. Ay is minus 1. Bx is 2. So now minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 I cap minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 6 into 2 12 minus 12 j cap plus 1 into 3 3 minus 2. So 1 minus 18 minus 17 I cap minus 1 minus 12 minus 13 plus k cap, 3 minus 2 1. So here we can write minus 17 I cap minus into minus plus 13 j cap plus k cap. So here this is the r cross f means torque. So what is the SI unit of torque here? Newton meter. So this is the solution of this sum.